Welcome to this video where we'll be discussing 5 proven email scripts to help you get new coaching clients. As an entrepreneur and a coach, it's important to find the most effective ways to reach out to potential clients and showcase your expertise. Today, we'll be diving into some tried and tested email scripts that you can use to expand your coaching business. The first email script is all about introducing yourself and your coaching services. In this email, you want to focus on presenting your background, your expertise, and the unique value that you bring to your clients. Remember to keep it concise, engaging, and genuine. Don't forget to include a call to action, inviting them to a free consultation or discovery call. Our second email script is designed to follow up with potential clients who may have shown interest in your coaching services but haven't taken the next step yet. In this email, you want to remind them of the benefits they can gain from working with you and share a success story or testimonial from a satisfied client. This will help build trust and encourage them to take action. The third email script is focused on providing valuable content to your potential clients. This could be a relevant article, blog post, or video that showcases your expertise and offers helpful insights. By sharing valuable content, you're not only demonstrating your knowledge, but also building a relationship with your potential clients. Make sure to include a call to action at the end, inviting them to reach out to you for more personalized guidance. In the fourth email script, you'll be addressing common objections that potential clients may have. This is your opportunity to address their concerns and reassure them that your coaching services can help them overcome these challenges. Be empathetic and understanding, but also be confident in your ability to provide solutions and support. End the email with a call to action, inviting them to discuss their concerns further in a consultation. The final email script is all about creating a sense of urgency. In this email, you'll want to offer a limited time promotion or discount on your coaching services, encouraging potential clients to take action now. Be clear about the benefits they'll receive and the deadline for the promotion. This sense of urgency can often be the push they need to finally commit to working with you. In conclusion, these 5 email scripts can be powerful tools in your quest to acquire new coaching clients. Remember to always be genuine, provide value, and address your potential clients' concerns. By doing so, you'll be on your way to building a thriving coaching business. Good luck and happy emailing!